Okay, back at the wall job for another day. So, footing is all set. We got a ton of rain last night, but it's a beautiful day out right now. So, I've got some markings on the footings just to give me an idea of where I want the face of the wall. Way down at the end there where you see I've dug out quite deep. I've thrown some plywood down on the footing. I'm going to backfill that area just to give me a little bit of a driveway in and out. I got a bunch of stuff back here that's got to be cleaned up. So I think I'm going to run the excavator in and out a little bit here and just get some of the junk cleaned up. And then probably in the afternoon, I will get started on the wall. So let's get some of this crap out of the way and start building the wall. About half the first course is in, but I interrupt this regularly scheduled programming with breaking news. Got a little bit of an upgrade. You know what, if I'm gonna be committed to these videos, I gotta at least produce decent quality. I haven't been too impressed with the iPhone 13 quality. It's been all right, like it communicates the message, but if there's gonna be some enjoyable cinematic experience, some entertainment that comes along with it, I think some new hardware was necessary. So anyway, I'm gonna do the next few time lapses with the new GoPro. It's a Hero 10, so it's not the latest and greatest, but it's certainly a big step up as far as the video quality and time lapse and just the range that it captures and all that kind of thing. So I'm very curious to see how this works out. I think it's gonna be all right. You guys let me know what you think. pouring rain. Holy. I'm covered in dirt. But we made good progress today. The wall is 2 courses high, about halfway. Got the sketchiest portion of it out of the way. The material's not the greatest. There's some like pretty flaky, kind of soft layers to the stone. So a few of them were 17 inches and then a little bit of a layer peels off and then it's 15.5 or 15. So it's kind of tough. So I'm gonna have to use those on the top, but I'll show you guys what I got so far. So it's not too bad. We got a bit of backfill in, a couple layers of filter cloth. Concrete pad underneath is working out really well. Hopefully by the end of tomorrow I get these first 2 courses done, maybe start a bit of this third, and then start getting the upper driveway leveled out. Should be all right. All in a day's work. Actually today I spent a good bit of time at Best Buy, checking out a few cameras, trying to kind of come up with a bit of a, you know, plan of what I'm gonna buy technology wise. I'm pretty happy with this GoPro so far. Let me know what you guys think. This is only, again, the GoPro 10, which is I think a 2021 version. So we'll see how this thing looks as far as quality and camera lens width and all that kind of stuff. I know the stabilization is like crazy. I can move it around like unbelievable, and it's just like buttery smooth. So that is one thing I'm super happy with. Anyway, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll show you guys a little bit more of the wall. But for now, we'll see you guys later.